Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeandMotivator.com. Today I have yet another amazing software for you. This one is called ProfitReply AI, and in a nutshell, it's an application that lets you write, upload, and send emails, and you will be able to do using the inbuilt SMTP sending service. And I mean, it is an auto-responding application that's going to help you automate your email management, that can help you schedule your email, help you do everything you want, and blast down for you leads through XMS and probably WhatsApp. So it's an amazing product in my own assessment, and this is one that is coming from Mike McKay and Radu, and is going live on the 20th of September 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York. And of course, at that time, you'll be able to pick up this product. If you stick with me, I will show you the demo video of this product in action and show you the dashboard area, which is exactly where we are. And of course, you see what you have there for yourself, and also take you through my amazing bonuses and the pricing for this product, so that you see exactly how it's going to help you. In any case, I will make sure that I put the video of this very product in action in my description, so that you see how it's going to work in your own system. In any case, my name is Mike of the MikeandMotivator.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you make money online. And today we have ProfitReply AI from McKay and Radu. And of course, you can see this is the sales page. And the benefits are very obvious from what we are going to see now. It is the state-of-the-art cloud autoresponder with no restrictions, inbuilt dedicated SMTP sending servers included and pre-configured, inbuilt dedicated IP pools for best delivery included and pre-configured, and you have the ability to have your own list. No problem. They give you done for you fresh leads, which you are going to have through the system on the software area, and you can't write your own email. No problem. This AI is going to help you write all your emails, and help you also start mailing them and start scheduling them as your own business and management desires. And you have 20,000 plus customers trust that will eventually get the marketing and get the pool that we are talking about here. 99% uptime and 99% deliverability, and which means that with this application you will be able to make sure that the emails that are sent with this application are actually going to the direct email, not the spam or any other platform on the very email arrangement of the person. So it's a very good one in my assessment, and at your convenience when you arrive here, definitely be able to go through some of these benefits yourself. And it's cloud-based, mobile responsive, and you can also have it very, very good as a beginner. You can use this, and you have list cleaner inbuilt. Only mails to verify leads will be sent out and will be received with this very instrument, and you can send SMS as well, because it has this inbuilt servers to do that. Okay, that's about all you have with the benefits there, and you have 3 basic steps. Step 1 is to log into this application, which you are going to have access to when you buy this product. Of course, using that first link below in my description area, that will bring you to this sales page where you actually get a copy for yourself using this link if you arrive here. And of course, now this first step will be to log into that very application which you have purchased, and then step 2 will be to upload your list or use the inbuilt done for you email list leads inside, which means it has a system that's going to actually get email leads for you, which you are going to actually have in your own system, and you can blast these emails with your marketing offers or anything you have there. Okay, you have the step 3. You use their AI email writer and enjoy profit shopping money making emails the right way. Okay, so that's like making money on demand. That's what most of these big vendors and gurus actually do, is to have massive amount of email subscribers, and definitely they send offers to them, and definitely they patronize and they make a lot of money doing so. This is in a nutshell what this product actually has for anybody who is interested in it. And you have some of the testimonials which you can read at your convenience. Look at them here, and of course that will be left for you. And these are the income proofs they are showing. But normally what I will advise anybody buying any product that I review is to actually get the product for what it does, but not for some of these screen income proofs. Okay, so that's my own position, but it's completely up to you to know if it's going to be for you. Okay, now these are some of the things you'll be able to gain as benefits with this. It's in a nutshell email auto-responding application that's going to not only secure leads for you, also blast these leads with your offers. So that's what basically this product is about, and I will leave the rest of the review of the sales page to you so that you see if that's going to be for you. But for now, let us take a look at the dashboard area and see if we can actually see the beginning. This is the dashboard: campaigns, automations, lists, templates, sending and integration with social media, and all the rest of it. Link to this video in my description so that you see if this is going to be for you. But for now, let us see the pricing for ProfitReply AI, and the first front end is for $17, and it has all of these capabilities that you are going to see in a jiffy. These are capabilities that you are going to have with this very front end for $17, and you know what that means. And then you have the very pro edition of this very application, which goes for $36.93. Okay, you have the upgrade number 1, that is the pro edition. You have also the downsell for $26. You have here the very OTO number 3, which is going to be the done for you. It goes for as cheap as $36.93 as well, and a downsell of $26.93, that is minus $10 discount. And you have the OTO number 5, which is going to be the reseller. It goes for $97, and it has a downsell of $97 actually, because the original price is $497. And you have the OTO number 7 actually, which is the upgrade called IMX. It goes for $96, and you have it for downsell of $97 as well. So that's about the pricing, which you are going to find when you actually prompt to buy this product using any of the links on the sales page here, which I try to point out. Let's see if we can see any of them, any of these very links here. Of course, let us see the benefits and bonuses that I have for you. Bonus number 1 will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits from Jonah Armstrong, my mentor. And you have also this Tweetex, which is number 2 bonus from me, which is how to crack the Twitter traffic and send traffic to your offer or your link. This Tweetex, and as well from Jonah Armstrong. And you have this bonus number 3, another one from Jonah Armstrong himself, and this is a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. It's called Insurgency. You have the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is a free buyer traffic application that is going to lead you how to get free buyer traffic and using the social media and other sources online. You have also the JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot system that is going to be installed in your system, which will actually help you get traffic to make 4-figure daily commissions. You have also this very number 6, which is the lockdown formula, my favorite training on how to actually start from scratch and master how to make money online. And you have the number 7, the last one, which is the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 links, digital marketing tools that you're going to actually use to do one thing or the other to make work easy for you online. These are the things you have here, and at any point you buy this product, after your purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks like this. This button will give you access to ProfitReply AI. You have this blue one giving you access to these amazing and mega bonuses that I have for you, which are still selling on Warrior Plus as we speak. And I mean, with that, we will definitely gradually come to the end of this amazing software ProfitReply AI review. I will come back to you in my next, but do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next. Till then, remember Mike of themikecompany.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here guys, it's goodbye.